Look at that. I love it. That shows you. Cars are number one. Whatever you want to say is number two. I don't know. I think I better vote on girls for number one. How about that?
Hey, octogenarian, and he's still got it, baby. He's still got it. George, can you regale us with a story about Culver City in the old days?
Culver City, you know what you're standing at right now? You'll see burnt rubber of when I smoked my hot rod down to Piccadilly Drive-In, driving for pink slips. That means if I lost the race, I'd lose my car. Up Sepulveda we'd go. We'd go out and do swing dancing until 6 sets of red couple of cars comes over to chase us. You think they could catch us? No way.
Could they catch you today, George?
Yeah, they can catch us today. We have to hot rod their engines so they can catch us now.
So, George, tell us about a couple of the cars that you brought with you today.
Well, we got the world's most beautiful roadsters right here with Black & Gin out of. We built those in the 50s, just to give you an idea of what we did with hot rods in the 50s. They not only went fast, they had to be beautiful. They not only had to be beautiful, that means they had to last. These cars were winners in the latter part of the 50s and the 60s, to give you an idea of what they did in that period of time.
George, where does the magic come from? Where do these great ideas you've got for cars, where do they all come from?
Being in USA makes you want to be able to be a part of whatever you have to do. Cars and whatever toys. Look at those beautiful trophies we're giving away. Handmade by one of our craftsmen right here in Culver City.
George, have you seen anything that caught your eye today?
Well, about 6,487 cars, 22,875 girls, and that's it.
So what's on your shopping list for the future, George?
More cars, more whatever you want to do, and we still got to include our wonderful families, because after all, they're the ones that make it happen. My grandson has just started the truck right over there for Galpin Ford, and that's the Fighter. The Fighter, that means it shows you a good idea of what our young generation is doing, following our footsteps. Thank goodness for Jared.
Folks, give it up for the gem of custom cars, the king of the customizers, the one, the only George Barris. Mitzi, are we ready to go? Let me hear it, Mitzi. Okay. All right. First of all, let's give it up for each of our contestants. I'm going to go down the line, and they're going to tell me their name and where they hail from. Talk to me, darling.
Hello, everyone. My name is Christina Michelle, and I hail from Palm Springs, California. Desert Rat. Ow!
Who are you, darling?
Hello, I'm Chase Monroe. I'm from the Valley. Woo!
Valley Girls.
Hi, my name's Erica Dean. I'm from Glendora.
Hi everyone, my name is Julie Lane. I'm from LA County.
LA, baby, it rocks.
Hello, my name is Jen A, like Forrest Gump. I'm from the San Fernando Valley.
Valley Girls.
Hello, my name is Sydney, and I'm from Toluca Lake.
Wish I could pull a fish out of that lake.
Hello, I'm Betty Bree, and I'm from Santa Clarita, California.
Hello, my name is Jessica Rose, and I'm from Santa Clarita as well, SCB.
I feel like I'm in the Valley of the Giants here.
Yes, pretty much. I'm Betty Ann, I'm from Oakland, California.
NorCal represents. All right, this has got to be my personal favorite. Baby, give it up for her.
I'm from the one and only Culver City.
It almost isn't fair, is it?
Hi, my name is Georgie, and I'm from sunny San Diego.
Hi, everyone. I'm Stephanie Josephine Jean, and I'm from Long Beach, California.
All right. Now, in addition to George being a judge in this contest, in addition to Georgie being our judge in this contest, we want to hear from all of you. I've got some random questions I'm going to ask. Okay? And I'm going to, since we've got a lot of questions and a lot of incredible candidates and a lot of incredible pinup gals, I'm not going to ask everybody, so they're not going to know who I'm going to ask, but I'm going to walk up to them. They're going to answer my question. Let's start. What inspires you to be a pinup?
Well, of course, it's so fun and you get to completely express yourself in so many fun ways with the dresses, the outfits, the hair, everything.
12 going on 18, baby. Dad, get off the chains. What inspires you to be a pinup?
I started out as a model and then photography. I got into pinup because I really like the 50s style, the atmosphere, the crowd, the people, the fashion. There's just so much atmosphere. It's really fun to get dressed up and all glammed up.
How about you?
Me, it's just the whole scene, the music, the rockabilly music. It's amazing. The era, everything, just the whole lifestyle of it is just beautiful.
What do you love most about the retro scene?
I'd have to say the cars. I think that at that era there was a lot more interest in like American cars. I have a 49 Kaiser Traveler myself. We have a car club up in Oakland, so definitely all about the cars.
Talk to me about retro, baby.